Welcome to the Western Heritage Museum and Lee County Cowboy Hall of Fame's virtual Christmas craft workshop. I am Mary Lyle, Director of Education for the museum, and today we will be making some simple Christmas projects for the whole family to enjoy. Let's get started by gathering our tools. You need scissors, you need glue, Scotch tape, maybe double-sided tape, glue gun if you have one, and I guess that's about it. So we're doing this because we can't hand out our packets. I already had some ready to go, and so we're going to show you how to do this with the help of Erin Anderson and Kim Clonch. We have several packets. I'd like to start with the simplest one that you have. That's to make a Christmas card. So this would be good for the little ones. You just can get these stickers at Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, Walmart, anywhere. I went ahead and printed a greeting on the inside of the ones you have. So yeah. And of course yours is green. It had to be green. I know. While you're doing that, I'll show you what I made just with household items. I had, you can just see this. This is a Christmas tree made out of little cupcake sleeves. Here they are. Mm-hmm. These are the tiny ones that I'm using for this. Then I made a star on the top out of leftover wrapping paper. So I had a gift. I am crazy. I always save wrapping paper. Then I made some stars, and I'll show them to you. They're very easy to do, but here's another one. And once you have the basic shape, you can cut them down, make them fit. But you can do what you want and, let the little ones use their imaginations.
Erin, do you need more stickers? I have more stickers in my office.
Oh, yes, you do. She's a sticker lady. You don't have to spend a lot of money. You could have taken like an old, or not an old, but recycle a paper bag and you can make a card out of it. It's heavy enough, and if you're careful and cut it properly, it will make a really nice card.
Look, Mary, who's holding things.
I love that. Oh, she added all of her Santa's friends. So it's always neat to do something that's 3D. And that's where these stickers really come in handy. So
you want to build a snowman?
We have a little kit. This is one that I put together. Here he is finished. Ta-da. Sorta. If you open your packet, what you've got in here is a little baby sock. We found out that using adult socks takes up too much rice. So you can start with your sock. Now, I made a funnel. You can make a funnel if you want.
I'm cheating.
I forgot to say you need rice. Yeah, there's funnels there. I made a funnel out of a water bottle. All I did is get an empty water bottle, cut off the top. And in your packet, I think it says just add rice, right? Right. And what I had is leftover rice that was out of date. Yeah, and what do you have? Little tiny rocks, little gravel.
Yeah, you had rocks here.
Yes, exactly.
What do you got?
Rice.
Rice. Okay, so you're going to put it into your little strainer or funnel. Kim's got a funnel. I've got the homemade funnel.
We're just putting it in our sock, right?
Yeah, put it in your sock. Fill it up, and as you fill it up, you can sort of like this. You can look. You can see how much you want to have. Like this guy's bottom is a lot bigger than his top. So I'm going to put a little more rice.
Gravels and funnel do not break.
A bouncy ball.
A bouncy ball. That's right. Oh, and then if you're not careful, you get rice everywhere. Yay. And you're going to get one of your pipe cleaners. I put 2 in there just in case. So here he is. So, you know, if you make the bottom a little heavier than the top, it sort of balances better. You're going to take your white pipe cleaner and just twist it. We used to use rubber bands, but that's much, much harder. Pipe cleaners work better. And so I twist it and twist it. You could wrap it around once or twice if you wanted to, depending on, whoa, don't lose your rice, how long you want to make the arms.
There's you a game instead of don't lose your marbles, it's don't lose your rice.
Don't lose your rice, that's right. You take your other pipe cleaner, you can cut it in half because we're going to tie the top with it, just like this. Once again, you can tie it, you can twist it, do whatever you want. So that's that. Okay, so now we got his head, we've got arms, we've got a body. This guy's sort of, oh well. And then you can take the top here, sort of shift it around a little bit. That makes your little hat. Oh, more rice. So now you got a little hat there. Now, did I put pom-poms in yours?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So you could put a pom-pom, or what I did here is I just made a little top with, I made the top with yarn. And you both should have some felt.
Yes.
And you're gonna make him a little scarf. And you can cut it. If you're using regular glue, it'll just take longer for the eyes to dry is all. Yeah, you can make little hands right there if you want. Next thing is to find your eyes. I don't know.
Right here, I found them.
Look at this.
Draw eyes on too, right?
You can draw
It's
eyes.
a Sharpie.
That's right. Oh, there it is. Okay. With a
Yeah.
Sharpie, that worked. And I gave this one a nose, just using the, you know, the craft paper or lunch bag type of thing, grocery bag. So whatever you have on hand or want to do, then do that. I also had some leftover felt for the
Like
scarf.
Sid the Sloth.
Oh, how cute. I like it. What I did is I went ahead and made little mittens and put them on the stand. And so you can do that if you want. Just use your imagination and anything you have handy that you think will work. So this is a fun thing. It does take several steps. It's a little bit messy. I recommend putting a plate underneath your work area so when you spill rice like I just did, that it doesn't go everywhere. Oh, very cute. Look at Kim's, and I'm sure Kim's already got a name for him. No?
Not yet.
Not yet, okay.
I had the bow.
Oh.
One thing that we learned with having what, 400 people coming, rice was too expensive. So we ended up by using bird seed, which was a good thing to do. And also using these baby socks is a lot more economical. So there's our sock snowman. And you can be as fancy as you want. If you had some old socks at home, which I know that Kim has a lot of pretty socks, you could take part of another sock to make a hat, you know, different color, or just go crazy, do whatever. Let's do this one. You guys have two varieties. You guys have the Grinch, and there's also a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And so what these are, the plastic part,
It's a piping bag.
piping bag, thank you. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put like treats and everything in here. I've got candy, but it's to make it fun. You also are going to have in your little kit a little card. You've got a little sticker to put on your card and some other stuff. So let me find mine. It's got instructions for you to follow. And this is what we would have given out. And we will put these on our website. And if you can see it right here. Okay, here's the instructions. So I'm going to see if you can follow these instructions, girls, without me saying anything. So the inspiration for this is that I had all these pastry bags, or piping bags. And I said, gosh, what could we do with this? Make sure you don't cut this edge. Okay, just the one, because this has to fold. Okay. So you fold that edge right there. You cut out the rest of it. And then you put some double stick tape or just Scotch tape. And you make a little cone. So I had put some tape along the edge, double stick. And I joined it and it made a little cone.
I didn't drop it, it's fine.
So then we're going to put this inside your piping bag. Perfect. And you can fill it up with candy or lumps of coal, yeah, or snowmen or whatever you want. Just to fake it a little bit, I'm going to put a piece of leftover, because I never throw anything away, tissue paper. You can put cookies in here or Hershey's Kisses or whatever you want.
Now I want cookies, thanks.
You guys have pipe cleaners?
Yes.
So we're going to take their pipe cleaners. Cute. Oh, how cute. Now that's a cute idea. Then you don't need to do this, Erin, but I will show you anyway. You can, okay, here we go. I am going to twist the top of the pipe cleaner. Did I give you
Yes.
two of these or one? One?
You gave me 2 pipe cleaners, a red and a green.
Okay,
2 pipe cleaners, yes.
okay. And
I
you
didn't
can
get
use
that.
2, you can use 1 or whatever you want. You take your little sticker, Erin already did it, and you put it on your little card, your to from card. Then you can get your ribbon that's in there. I like to curl these little things. So I just curl them around a pencil.
Na, 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 na.
Okay,
You know,
this is the one that I made ahead of time. And they're a lot of fun. And so these will be available on our website. Then you can print it off and have fun. And if you don't have these piping bags, they're really not expensive if they sell them at Hobby Lobby, Walmart in the
Baking goods and
yeah,
the candy aisles in the middle
Right.
of wedding cakes.
the next thing we're going to make are some really cute little ornaments. These are little hats. Okay, cute little hats, little beanies. The way you can make this, I've already supplied you with rings, but they're about the size of a toilet tissue tube. So if you had a toilet tissue tube, you could just cut these. That's it. All right. You can mix and match. You can do whatever you want. Make it a solid color, make it 2 colors. And what you want to do is cut it about 9 inches like this. It's pretty easy to do. So you're going to have 15 of each color. So that's 30 total. If you wanted to make it all one color, then that's what you would do. So I saw these on the Pinterest or somewhere, and I thought they were so okay. You can begin by just make a loop like this. Then you're going to loop it through, and up like that. If you're using 2 colors, now you're going to go to your other color. And so you don't want them to overlap. You just want them to sit like this side by side. So you're going to go all the way around. And as you go around, you're going to scoot them next to each other so it's a little bit tighter. I'm just slower.
I'm only halfway done.
Oh, are you? Okay.
I have that much left.
Oh, okay. That's about what I
Okay,
have.
I cut 30 of them, but I feel like I'm gonna have extra space.
Yeah, I cut 30, but I cut like 4 more extras.
That was an approximate. As I said, it sort of depends on how tight you do it.
Kind of nice that this takes a while because like it gives kids something to do for.
Right.
You know.
So I have a little bit of tissue paper right here. And I'm gonna, make it into a little ball or just paper. Is that what you're using, Kim?
Yeah, that's just paper. That's an
Okay.
old sticky note.
Okay, all done.
Okay. So shake them out a little bit and try to get them so they're hanging right. You're going to hold right here at the collar right there. You gather it up, you hold it, and we're going to twist it a little bit and push it through.
I don't think I did that. All the way through?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now this is what you got. Let's see.
Now it is a jellyfish.
Yeah. Okay, so you have all these. Going to gather them together. And what I try to do is make sure they're sort of straight and not crossing over and not being crazy. I'm going to take leftover yarn and tie it to make your little top. And you want it to be real tight.
Mine's a snowboarder.
Okay, so once it's tied, you can gather these all together and we're going to cut around and trim it up. Give it a little haircut. Keep trimming. Yeah, Mr. Ta-da. Cute. Okay, then you're going to make a little hanger. Tie it on the top.
I'm gonna keep mine a little puffy.
It's fun.
Cute. Very nice. We got these. We got our snowman. What else do we have? We have our little Christmas goodie bags and Christmas cards. All right.
The staff of the Western Heritage Museum and Lee County Cowboy Hall of Fame would like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Be safe, have fun spending time with family, and we will see you in the new year.
That's right. Well, Merry Christmas, you guys.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Yep.
Christmas.
We hope that you've enjoyed our presentation and will have fun making these projects. For more information, visit our website and our Facebook page.